Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find copyright-free images for your creative projects. First of all, open your internet browser and in the search field, type a word or a phrase describing the image that you are looking for. For the purposes of this video, I'll type, let's say, the word dog. Hit enter and then select images. And you see many images on the page here. Some of them are copyrighted, some of them are copyright free. In order to find out which ones are copyright free, select Tools, click on Tools, select Usage Rights, and after that Creative Commons licenses. There you go. All these images are copyright free under Creative Commons licenses. Let's check one of them. For example, this beautiful Bernese mountain dog. Click on it and then go down and click on License Details. And you'll see the details now. This image is public domain, universal, no copyright. This work has been identified as being free of known restrictions under copyright law, including all related and neighboring rights. You can copy, modify, distribute, and perform the work even for commercial purposes, all without asking permission. So this is a copyright-free image. You right-click on it and save image as. You can specify the name Bernese dog, and you can save it already on your desktop, or you show the folder, you select the folder where to save it, and there you go, it is saved in your computer. And that's all for today about copyright-free images, how to find them and use them in your creative projects. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching and have a nice and pleasant day.